Welcome back to Gold Spice, where every recipe brings a golden touch to your kitchen. Today, we're making something irresistibly delicious, the ultimate egg paratha, crispy, flaky layers stuffed with flavorful eggs and spices. It's the perfect comfort food you didn't know you needed, so grab your pan. Today's recipe: egg paratha. Ingredients: all-purpose flour 1 cup, salt to taste, sugar 1/2 tsp. Mix well. Add lukewarm water as required. Knead well. Add 1 teaspoon oil. Knead again. Now rub some oil. Cover. Keep aside. Egg preparation: 2 eggs, salt to taste, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon. Beat well. Add chopped onions 3 tablespoons, grated carrots 3 tablespoons, coriander leaves 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Now dip the paratha into egg mixture. Place into hot oil as soon as possible. Fry over medium flame. Flip. Fry both sides until golden brown. Delicious egg paratha, serve with chutney. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.